The AI revolution has put people into fear of the future because of the news of how AI could do intelligent tasks and beat human at doing those tasks. Is that true? Well, ChatGPT is an AI tool that is powered by OpenAI. ChatGPT can do a lot of things like answering difficult questions, writing articles, generating codes to create tools, and it even generated a video script and all other things. The truth is that people can't make money directly with ChatGPT, but with the help of this powerful AI, people have developed a way to make money with ChatGPT, and I will explain the various ways to make money with ChatGPT. So if you want to make $1,000 or more in a single day, then watch this video till end. Start a blog using ChatGPT. Start a blog is also the best way to use ChatGPT to make money. A blog does not require a lot of capital. With just web hosting, you will be able to start a blog from scratch and grow it in 6 to 8 months. With ChatGPT, it has become easier. Writing articles will be easier because ChatGPT can write almost all the topic. You can give ChatGPT an instruction like this: create a 2,000 words blog post about losing belly fat. ChatGPT will then spit out a really good and professionally written article about how to lose belly fat. It is advised to edit this article so that you don't get a strike from Google for plagiarism. When you are consistent with your blog, your traffic will skyrocket and you will be able to make a lot of money through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, and many more monetization methods. You can start getting results with your blog in 8 months. Sell articles created by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good at doing a lot of things, and one of the things that ChatGPT is good at is creating articles. Well-written article. You can never know that it is a bot that created the article. In fact, ChatGPT can create articles on any topic. It was even said that ChatGPT created a product review, which is very rare because not too many AI can do that, but ChatGPT created a full review about this product. There have also been some complaints of plagiarism, which means you need to edit your articles. AI is meant to just make your work easier, not to make you lazy. You need to edit and look through the articles for any mistake, or you can use Grammarly to detect any plagiarized content. These articles, after creating it, can be sold to clients. If you are a freelancer, you can sell these articles to clients and make money for yourself. With ChatGPT, you will be able to do more work than what you do, which means if you write 1 article per day, you should be able to write 2 articles or more. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is the process of selling products directly to customers without touching the product. All you need to do is to create a store with a hosting company like Shopify and then link it to the supplier's website with the help of a software. This software will automatically fulfill orders that you get on your store by entering the customer's details on the supplier's website. The way you make the profit is by adding to the product price, and whenever a customer buys the product, you will make your profit. ChatGPT can help create product descriptions for your store, and ChatGPT can also find winning drop shipping products that can make you a lot of money online. Create little tools with ChatGPT and sell. With ChatGPT, you can create simple software tools that you can sell. For example, if you encounter a problem in your online business and you noticed that a lot of people also encounter the same problem, you can use ChatGPT to create software by using codes generated by ChatGPT. From there, you can make money by selling the software tools. Create an app with ChatGPT and charge people for subscriptions. So with the knowledge of creating codes, you can create apps with ChatGPT. Well, all you need is to have an idea of an app and create the app. This way of making money with ChatGPT look advanced, but it is very simple with the help of ChatGPT. Start an affiliate marketing business with ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing is a business model that is easy and can make you a millionaire. This is the process of selling other people's product for a commission. It does not to be selling. There are some products that pay affiliates when people sign up through their link or download things. Products that you can promote will range from physical products to digital products to courses to software. There is a wide variety of products that have affiliate program. ChatGPT can help you finding a product that is actually building an audience that you can promote products to. These audience will be your followers on different social media channels, and they will buy what you recommend for them. For example, you can build audience on Facebook, Instagram, Quora, YouTube, Google through blogging, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok. Write social media posts. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and on-brand social media posts. This can help increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which can in turn help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnerships with brands. Not sure what to write about? Ask ChatGPT for 10 ideas and pick the best one. Create e-commerce product listings. ChatGPT can be used to write a compelling and accurate product descriptions for e-commerce websites. It can help increase sales by providing potential customers with detailed and accurate information about a product. You could also use it to improve your current listings. Simply paste the text into ChatGPT and ask it to make 10 recommendations on how to improve it. Consulting. Offering consulting services to businesses and organizations that want to use GPT-3 for their projects is another way to make money with ChatGPT. As an expert in the field, you can help these organizations understand the capabilities and limitations of the GPT-3 model and how it can be applied to their specific use case. This could include training on how to use pre-built frameworks, guidance on how to implement GPT-3 in their existing systems, or even helping them with building a custom solution. Additionally, you could also provide ongoing support and maintenance to ensure the smooth functioning of the GPT-3-based solution. These consulting services can be charged on a per-project or hourly basis. Freelancing. Last but not the least is freelancing. Freelancing is another way to make money with ChatGPT by offering your services as a freelancer for various projects related to the model. As a freelancer, you could offer services such as chatbot development, automated writing, or data analysis to clients. By leveraging your skills and expertise in ChatGPT, you can help businesses and organizations improve their customer service, automate their content creation process, or even help them with data analysis. You can charge clients on a project basis or on an hourly rate, depending on the scope and the complexity of the project. One advantage of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work on multiple projects at the same time and get to choose the projects you want to work on, allowing you to choose the work that aligns with your interests and expertise. Thanks for watching this video on how to earn money with ChatGPT. We hope you found it informative and useful. As you've learned, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you generate content, improve your writing skills, and even make money. Whether you're a freelancer, a blogger, or a content creator, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool to have in your arsenal. So if you're looking for a way to earn money online, consider using ChatGPT to write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities and vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content that engages your audience and drives traffic to your website. If you have any questions or comments about using ChatGPT to earn money online, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online and grow your business.